Alright, so we woke up today at 3:30 a.m. So we left Mumbai by 4 and we are currently taking a road trip. And we got Aashish over here.
Hey.
We're doing some really cool collaboration stuff. We're taking some pictures. Check out his Instagram profile. He has a lot of great stuff on there. I will put a link in the description below.
So we are right now at Malshej Ghat, and this is the place where all the bikers from Mumbai go to, especially in monsoons, because it's very beautiful. It's lush green out there. A few waterfalls also ahead. Like the most scenic route to take in monsoons from Mumbai.
All right, so if you're in Mumbai, this is the area where you go for bike riding. So this is what we got today. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. This is actually on the Kawasaki Versys. The other guys are on the, I don't know what that is.
That's a Bajaj Dominar.
Oh, that's a Bajaj. That's a Bajaj, and the view is absolutely gorgeous. I told the monkeys here are terribly aggressive, so we have to stay away from them. Hey Ash, there's even monkeys on the hill. Wow, look at that. Seconds, look at that. We got monkey infestation. Hello, monkeys. So somebody always has to say on the bikes to scare away the monkeys because they can take stuff, including helmets and everything. This was a cool ride. That drone stuff is amazing. Alright, we're gonna go have some breakfast. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. All that driving and flying a drone has really gotten to me. And waking up at 3:30 in the morning definitely doesn't help. Alright, we have now left lunchtime and we are working our way down through some villages here. I'm going to show you a map of where we're located right now on the video. This is probably one of the better rides I've done in India. Super green, super nice, especially on the weekday. There's nobody here. If you guys want to do this route, you now have a map, you got some GPS coordinates, and definitely do it on the weekday because there's no one on the road. And look at that, look at the view. So beautiful. Love India so much. It's so diverse. Anywhere I go, there's something so different. And Aashish is in front of me and he's driving very well. He's teaching me how to drive like an Indian. Basically means pass everybody, don't get stuck behind anyone, and go as fast as you can. So it's all part of the adventure. So Aashish brought us through a very rural and random area. The road's pretty bad, but let me tell you, we are in some crazy remote part here. It is such an adventure on this road. There's barely enough room for 2 cars at once. Everybody here is on bikes. This is what I like to call the true India. This is where foreigners don't usually go. Yet such an amazing experience seeing the countryside of India. 40 minutes ago, we were in that beautiful, lush, humid, green environment. Now we're in this desert, dead, dry environment. That is how diverse India is. Within half an hour, you're in those 2 very extreme environments. The only thing is that my butt is now suffering because of all these bumps on the Enfield. Again, this is why I love India. We're here taking this awesome photo shoot. Aashish here is taking some great pictures. We found this awesome tree. Camping, right? Yeah. So they're camping and they recognize Aashish and they recognize me. So yeah, that's so cool. In the middle of nowhere, look at this. Nothing around me.
Nothing. And just camping. Yeah, your name was again? Wish. Shubham? Amit? Shirije. So, really cool guys. You can tell the weather has turned for the worse. It's probably gonna rain. We'll take as many pictures as we can before it starts raining, because it's going to be a big one, because there's rain over there, there's rain over there, there's rain everywhere this time.
We're now making our way down to the water, because that's where all the good pictures are taken, right? Alright, a little bit of off-roading. Look at this. Nice little off-road adventure today. Alright, today's goal is don't drop the bike. I love the Enfield because, you know, you can pretty much take it anywhere, do anything. It's light enough to do that.
Back home, and that's the end of our days. She gets a hug from me because he did such a great job today, and I can't wait to show you guys the photos. They'll be on Instagram very soon.
I'm very excited to edit them.
Yeah, we've got the description of this video so you can check out his Instagram link. Awesome stuff, super cool guy. But that's the end of our day. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow.
Alright, welcome to another beautiful day in India. Currently driving these very rural roads, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the scenery. You got kids walking to school over here. You got people plowing the fields. You got people planting. Look at those cute kids. You got people using cattle. I mean, this is the true, real daily life of a lot of India. To the roads, got some holes in them. They're pretty bumpy on this Enfield of mine. That's just part of the whole Indian experience. I absolutely love it. You got people going to work. You got people going to school. You got people working on the house. Food on the side of the road. Look at that field. Gorgeous. Yeah, old school plow.
All right, I'm so excited because today I have finally convinced Aashish to let me use his camera to take a picture of him, because all he's been doing for me is taking pictures of me, and that's not cool. I want pictures of him. Finally, after 2 days of travel, I finally have his camera, and he's agreed to take a picture, because this man's so nice, but he's so shy sometimes, to get him a little out of his comfort zone and take some awesome pictures of him. All of a sudden, the entire village, like, it's just right behind me. Look at that. So much traffic in this random place. It was so quiet, but now it's pretty busy. I get no thumbs up. We'll try again. Yes, we get 1 thumbs up. Good job. Good, we got 2. Can we get a 3? Can we get a 3? Yes! It is 9 a.m., but everybody's still asleep. Perk them up. We need some coffee up here.
It's gas station time, and I've been bleeding fuel for the last few kilometers, so barely making it in time with this beautiful little Enfield. You guys need fuel if you guys don't. See, the horrible thing about being communicated on Bluetooth and having a camera in front of me and you guys hearing me is that we don't know when we're talking to each other, so it's part of the fun to figure out if you're talking to somebody or not.
As you can tell, it is raining quite bad, and that's monsoon season for you here in India, and we cannot go anywhere. The Enfield actually got waterlogged, so it died on me halfway through. I was able to turn it back on, spit out the water, but it's just too difficult and too dangerous to proceed at this time. And luckily we found a little restaurant, so we're gonna have some chai, some tea, some coffee. Lucky for me, I bought rain gear, but I am still soaked. No matter what rain gear I have, always get wet, no matter what. I don't know what it is. Wet, we're all drenched, we're gonna wait for the rain to pass and continue on the trip.
Did you see my... Thank you.
These nice random people just drove up to us and they started yelling, Aashish, Alex, is that you? So nice, look at that. With such passion and enthusiasm, and right away they were like, Aashish, Alex? Like, yeah. So in the middle of a toll road, again, recognized on the streets of India. So crazy, the feeling that, you know, I'm not really famous, but having that feeling that you're like famous is like crazy. So happy that she's so enthusiastic, literally, incredible. Giving us hugs, everything, like if she was meeting a Bollywood star. It's insane. Right, we're back in Mumbai, and this is where we say our goodbyes. It was an amazing ride. These guys were so cool. She's a great photographer, and everybody else, great riders. Super cool, so appreciate it. Have a good one. Nice to meet you. Sheesh, you're the man. Anyway, that's the end of our day. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow.